Do you want to enhance the security of your home? In this video, we'll share some simple tips to boost your home security and create a safer haven for you and your loved ones. First and foremost, consider upgrading your locks. Installing deadbolt locks on all exterior doors adds an extra layer of security, making it more challenging for intruders to gain access. Next, think about adding surveillance to your arsenal. Security cameras not only deter potential intruders but can also provide crucial evidence in the unfortunate event of a crime. It's an extra set of eyes keeping watch over your home. Illuminate your surroundings with motion sensor lights. These lights will automatically turn on when movement is detected, enhancing your visibility at night and deterring unwanted visitors. Secure your windows with window locks. These devices are easy to install and prevent intruders from easily accessing your home through windows. Upgrade to a programmable smart lock. These locks allow you to control access to your home remotely, monitor who enters and exits, and even receive instant notifications. Make sure to stay tuned to our channel because our next video will be all about the best smart locks for your home. Discover the latest innovations, features, and recommendations to enhance your at-home security. Consider investing in a security alarm system. These systems provide round-the-clock monitoring and can alert authorities in case of a break-in or emergency. Lastly, install a peephole on your front door. This simple device allows you to see who is on the other side of the door before opening it, providing an added layer of safety. By following these tips, you can enhance your at-home security and create a safer environment for you and your loved ones. From installing high-security locks to reinforcing doors and windows, our locksmith services are tailored to meet your specific needs. Trust the experts to ensure your home is fortified against potential threats. Your safety is our priority. Subscribe to our channel for ongoing guidance on home improvement and security. For personalized security solutions, contact us today. Together let's make your home the safest and most secure it can be.